me and my son Joshua finished the sheetrocking. Now you know what time it is. It's waterproofing time. Getting ready to get it. Coming in here. I decided today I'm just going to be by myself. I need a little me time to think about some things. But we're going to get these walls done so that I can finally call in the tile guys. We're going to waterproof these walls, put the shower floor down. It's going to be real sexy. You're going to see.
I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna hate or believe, but please believe it makes no difference to me. 'Cause I'm a